Hello guys and welcome to Make History, and today I'll show you a simple validation in ES6. So we created a form with an ID simple form and having two input fields, name and email, and having a button called submit. So and this is the ES6 class, and the ES6 class having the validation function. So this function will going to print validation message, and whenever on submit, so we used to taking the values from input boxes, these two input boxes having input name and user email. So given by id input name and user email value, we taking those two values and we initializing the class right now, and we handling only two conditions now. So if the fields are empty and the other one is the length. So if the fields are empty, then we sending a message name comma email must be present. So it will we are sending to the validation function. So this is the function. We are taking the parameter means it message, and now we taking in paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph. The validation is given an ID. So document or get element by id validation, and we're going to appending the message we are appending. So first we're creating a text node, so the text node is going to be appending to paragraph tag. So we given timeout for the paragraph tag, so it should be removed after 3 seconds. Okay, and also for validation we can make css for it, so it should be color red. So that's it. Again, for the length also same. So if it is less than 5 characters, we are sending name must be more than 5 characters. That's it. Let's see the output now of this code. So this is the live server. So here first empty condition we're going to check. So name email must be present. After 3 seconds it will disappear. It will remove from the DOM. And the second is the length condition, right? So name must be more than 5 characters. That's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.